Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 22nd. This is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So anyways, on the daily time frame, we made a very nice lower high, lower high, lower high. I still think this is either going to be an expanding or a regular flat, which means I'm either targeting this area right here around these lows, or if it's an expanding, I would be targeting these areas, the 161, 178% for an expanding wave C. So either way, definitely still very bearish the dollar, or the euro dollar that is. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I still got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up right here, even though I believe that it is going to go down and take out these lows, because oftentimes these Fibonacci levels are going to be areas of support. So maybe it does bounce at this area, and even if it does bounce there, for me personally, I would not take that as a long. I would look at that as possibly just another opportunity to go short again for possibly the continuation of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.